Please switch on your cams. We gonna have some live interactions today, and then later on, if you have, we'll just wait for 5 minutes and let wait for people, and so you can. It would be better if you can keep your cams on. Is it Mr. Anu, the third person who just joined?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
So yes, you can. We would definitely, all of us will like the other people will also switch on their cams, because today we wanted to just interact and know about it, at least for the first session, and then if required and if according to the convenience, we can. So let us give some time, and first of all, let me welcome the new members, Mr. Amrendra and Saroj ma'am. If you can switch on your cam, because by the time others join, and because it's an office time. So what I'll do is I'll start my session on time, and I'll record the sessions, because I want to not also affect others, people who have joined, to waste their time as well. So let's make it a habit to create a good discipline. Even that is a very good habit, and that will help us in the long run in our lives as well. So sometimes I think it's a general tradition in India to be there in 10 to 15 minutes from the normal time, late rather. So, but it's all right, and we can just. Good evening, Mr. Annam.
Good evening. Good evening. Very
Can
good
we
evening.
today we all have decided to switch on the cams and be more interactive and visible to each other, so that we can understand, about it. So let me just thank you so much. So great to have all of you. Welcome all. And although there are two people who have already been there with me in the WhatsApp group, they have joined earlier, like Mr. Annam and Mr. Anu. But we have two new people today who have joined just recently. So Mr. Amrendra, and who is an associate professor in IT in BHU. So he's into IT BHU and mining engineering, and he's department, and he's an associate professor. So Mr. Amrendra, just a little bit brief about you, like what did you, why did you join this, and what is like, what is your basic goal to achieve? Yeah. Yes.
Okay, it's a very good evening to all of you.
You are a
Yeah,
bit.
good evening.
Can you just enhance your volume, please? I think you are not that audible.
I think volume is full. I am calling from my mobile.
Okay.
मैं हिंदी में बोलूं सर, कोई दिक्कत? दो ही लोग तो हैं.
हाँ जी.
हिंदी में बोलूं मैं?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
तो मेरा कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के पीछे पर्पस ये है. आज मैंने आपकी वो 1 घंटे वाली रिकॉर्डिंग देखी.
ओके.
उसमें और उसके पहले भी आपका जो पूरा मैसेज आया था, उसमें आपने अपनी पूरी बीमारी के बारे में लिखा था और उससे कैसे डील किए.
हाँ.
तो उसको देखने के बाद मेरे में एक बात क्लिक की गई, अगर आप अपनी बीमारी को ठीक करके पूरा नॉर्मल हो सकते हैं, तो मैं नॉर्मल होते हुए क्या मैं अपनी पूरा एनर्जी लेवल को बढ़ा सकता हूँ क्या? सो ये जैसे क्लिक किया तो फिर मैं इनरोल हो गया.
जी जी जी, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. आपको वैसे कोई अभी डिजीज है ऐसा, मतलब अभी
कोई डिजीज नहीं है.
ग्रेट. चलिए, तो there is always the most important thing to have the best health forever.
Yes.
So even that is good by the God's grace that you're not having any disease. Really happy for you. And then the only goal for all of us who are not having any disease is to how to maintain and prevent any further disease and maintain the best health forever. So we'll definitely make sure that you get something out of this course and you really have a good health for long run. Thank you.
Okay.
मिस सरोज, आप भी कल ज्वाइन करे थे, तो यू कैन, अगर आप थोड़ा सा बताएं कि आपको कोई अगर आप क्या सोच के ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, क्या गोल है, और अगर आपको कोई डिजीज है तो दैट्स इट.
मेरे को तो बीपी की प्रॉब्लम है
जी. अच्छा.
और हार्ट बीट कभी-कभी तेज हो जाती है.
अच्छा, तो जी ओके, हम उस पे काम करेंगे. और थोड़ा सा आपने क्या अभी क्या सोच के आप कोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, क्या?
मैं अपने बेटे के लिए ही था ना कि बेटा बहुत ज्यादा सोचता है, नेगेटिव बहुत आता है उसको थॉट्स.
जी. हाँ हाँ. अच्छा.
काफी टाइम हो गया उसको दवाइयाँ खिलाते हुए भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा उसको.
तो अच्छा, वो मतलब मेंटल प्रॉब्लम के लिए दवा, मतलब उस थॉट्स के लिए वो आप दवा देते हो उनको?
हाँ, उसको ओसीडी कहते हैं ना,
ऑब्सेसिव डिसऑर्डर. जी जी जी. ओके ओके. सो मैं यहाँ पे एक चीज, ओके, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू. I and first of all, let me just start it right away that my name is Gaurav Prakash. I am basically a life coach also. And for the past 10 years, I've been doing social service also. That is something which I used to do as an absolutely passion apart from my jobs and all. But as I shared with you all that I had got this disease 6 years back, and since then my career or professional life, so I'm a BTech and an MBA, and around 12 years of corporate work experience with organizations like HCL, NIT Technologies, and a lot of other MNCs. So I've worked in different at different profiles and in different fields. So around 5 to 6 years. But then something, as I told that this disease also happened, and then I was somehow also feeling that I always wanted to get into something apart from job. I always wanted to be free and get into maybe entrepreneurship. That time it was all like that, but obviously it requires a lot of funds and all. So the reason I think is very much clear, that because why health was so why health became so big a priority for me, because when I myself got those sufferings, that time only I decided that if I get all right from this disease, the first thing I will do is, or if whenever I do something out of the job or an entrepreneurship, it will definitely will be to reduce the sufferings. And what if I can reduce the sufferings of human life, what I have gone through, if I can help others not to go through it, or at least get benefit out of it. So that is the sole purpose, my dream, my mission, whatever you call, just to anyhow reduce the sufferings of human life. It could be health, it could be other issues in life, it could be some personal issues, it could be career related issues. Yes, health is the most dearest, one thing which is very much dear to me, is obviously why, because I myself understand that value and I've gone through that. So that is why I took this course. Otherwise, I'm a life coach and I help out. So let me just beforehand start. Why are we doing this? So I just wanted to ask you people, how many people here want or prefer the solution of taking medicines or consultations from doctors or surgeries or so, like just going to hospital or going to doctor? And how many of you feel comfortable with this option, like that for a consultation you go to a doctor and then he tells you some medicines, maybe just for commercialization, or maybe just refers or recommends a surgery or a transplant or anything? How many of you believe in that and want to go by that solution? Please type in a yes if you want to go, and please Y for yes and N for no.
No, I don't believe in this
Okay.
approach.
So, yeah. Okay. So great. So you can, Mr. Anup is saying, Mr. Annam is saying no, Mr. Amrendra is saying no. Saroj ma'am, what about you? Obviously, you are giving pills to your son, so we can understand. But still, what do you prefer?
No.
Okay, great, great. And other thing, now when if we out of the existing solutions available right in today's time, if we are out of pills and doctor consultations and hospitals and surgeries and all, then what is left for us? The other traditional thing is to go for like natural solutions. So natural solutions means generally a very big belief now, and a new culture has been generated of doing yoga, meditations, and exercises. Okay, so how many people feel that sometimes doing any of the meditation may be difficult also, or to learn, or you are not very confident, or sometimes it takes time also? How many people feel that these are a bit complex, like not very easy to learn meditations or yogas? Means like it may be, it is not impossible, but it may be a bit difficult until unless you are very confident about it or you practice it. How many of you feel that not every, yeah. Yeah, yeah, Mr. Lu.
Meditation is not something, actually it depends on so many life situation and and your mental state. So meditation actually happens, it has to happen on its own. So the purpose of meditation is to calm the mind, the traffic thoughts, thoughts and traffic of thoughts. So it's a habit like which we have to cultivate. So
thank you, Mr. Lu.
or you know that
सर मुझे तो मेडिटेशन बिल्कुल
sometimes
जी आपको क्या कह रहे हैं मैम? Thank you, Mr. Anu. Yeah.
मुझे मेडिटेशन पसंद ही नहीं है.
Exactly. So, Mr. Arnab, you were going to say, so doing this yoga meditation, do you feel it is not that easy, or everybody cannot do it, or it takes time also? Sometimes you don't have that much of time to do those things in your time schedule, in your daily routine, busy schedules.
No, this pranayama and some yoga exercises, everybody can do with practice.
But do you feel that still it cannot be, it may not be the choice for everybody, or it may be a bit awkward or difficult for people?
Only problems with the meditation. Many people, though they learn many techniques of meditation, they are not able to practice because first of all, they do not know how to control their thoughts. That's where the meditation process fails. Because
Exactly.
I'm in this psychological counseling process, and I did a lot of research on thinking process. So I'm able to control my thoughts, and I'm always under meditation. That's what I think. My work is my meditation.
Great.
I don't do separately as a meditation, separate time and like that.
So we can, we can conclude that there should be, if it's not a very viable option for everybody, or not that easy, because it depends on their mental state, their levels, and the situations in which they are.
100%.
So, yes. So now, what is what is the general solution? What are all the general solutions we have discussed here? So all the current existing solutions what we have cannot still be the complete solution to our problems. Is that what we can conclude from it?
Correct. Yes.
So now,
100%.
what if you can be healer of your own disease yourself, and not only of your family, or not only of yourself, but your family and others too? And the best thing is, of any disease, even an incurable disease, what if you can do that without any pills or surgeries, even if you don't have time, even an extra second, to do any yoga meditation or difficult yoga meditation or exercise? What about that? How many people would like to go for an option like this?
That's wonderful. Wonderful option.
Yeah.
Wonderful option.
All of you, so you can just type in Y if you feel yes. Miss Jyoti, you too. Just type in a Y if you feel yes. Okay, Mr. Amren says yes. Miss Jyoti says yes. Okay. Okay. Mr.
I think we have to.
Yeah.
I think we have to follow middle path. See, sometimes, although we may be following natural lifestyle, sometimes if it is required, we have.
Yeah, exactly. That is what I'm saying, that it should be the last option when if there is a serious case. So if there is a genuine requirement of it, and it should not be a commercialized thing. Obviously, if a person is very serious, so it has to be something with a sense, like with the priority. Like if right now we meet a person who is actually just dying, we cannot ask him to meditate because he is not in his senses. So that is those cases are according to the condition. But I'm generally asking, what would you prefer? That is what I said. So that is what I meant. So finally, everybody says that yes, they want a solution, which I just asked, that everybody wants to have to heal themselves, would prefer to heal themselves from a disease, any of the disease, without any pills or surgeries, even if they don't have an extra second to invest in their disease schedules. So now let's go more onto it. And before that, we have a new member joining, Miss Jyoti. If you can just switch on your cam and just share a little bit about you, just a brief, like why are you joining it, and if you have any disease or something.
Okay, why I'm joining it is, yes, like you had asked us, that I believe in spirituality and all these things which come to my way I try to explore. But then again, I don't want to put my feet in too many boats. That won't work. So I do, like I said, I do Shambhavi. I believe I'm a great fan of Sadhguru. And also, like we were talking just now, I believe in nature cure. I don't believe in pills. I am the last person to be taking pills. Like, even if somebody told me I was dying, I would rather die than take a pill, because I don't think they do me any good. So, and
great.
also I believe in nature cure. So I believe if my lifestyle was good and if I was eating right, I wouldn't get any of these diseases. But since the way we have been brought up, that shift is not very easy. It is not happening, though I believe in it and I know good people who can guide me on those lines, but it is not happening because it requires a lot of effort. So what really made me join your session is where you said that even if you don't have time for yoga and meditation, you will still be able to heal yourselves doing what you are going to teach us. So that is the thing that really attracted me to join your session. Like I said, I don't want to keep my feet in too many boats. I already am a great fan of Sadhguru, and I also believe in nature cure. So, but what really attracted me to this session is where you say that you can heal it without medicines. Even if you are not spending time on yoga, meditation is what really attracted me. And if you ask me if I have any diseases, I also suffer from IBS, but I have not taken any medicines for that. And I don't think medicines will help me. So and it takes away a lot of productive time from your life. And it is something you cannot explain to somebody. Like, you cannot go and tell your boss or your peers that you have this kind of an issue. So I am looking
very much.
Yeah,
I can relate to you because I also, when I was
working,
that
that is what I heard. Yeah. So so
great.
These are the two things that really attracted me to joining this session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, and hope I can provide whatever best value I can, and I'll give my 100%. I'll give my everything, whatever I know, to the best of my knowledge.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now let us. So now, once we have understood that this is the solution, what everybody looks towards, and if we can just see and find out if that can be of any help, or has it helped anybody till date, especially when we talk about having the benefit in terms of diseases, and especially very serious diseases or almost incurable diseases. Okay, so let me just go to that and find out if we can get something valuable. So is my, just a second, I think this is not the screen. So is my, just a second. Oh, I have to just change it. Is anything visible now? Any screen visible to you all?
Modi ji.
No, not Modi ji. This thing, are you able to view?
It's mind body medicine, the heartfulness.
Acha, you can view that. Okay, just a second. I have to I will just open it. I have to pause